where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. La di la di la di di la di la di di di.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today we are going to start working on our fall decor. So I have these pumpkins and I wanted to paint them. I have been seeing a lot of pictures on Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, things like that. I've seen emerald gold and navy pumpkins. So I have these very old pumpkins. I bought these from Michael's many years ago. They're the foam kind of texture to them. I love these pumpkins because they are substantial. I've got this size and I have this small size. So I'm thinking I'm going to do this one in the green and this one in the navy. And I thought I'd bring y'all along. There's several projects that we're gonna do together, but I wanted y'all to see this because this is gonna be a transformation. So I went this morning to a local thrift store and they have chalk paint in their store. So I got this, this particular color here, and it is America, can y'all see that? America Blue. So it's a deep, rich blue color. I also got a forest green. That's the color. That's the name. Forest green in this. So that is going to be our large pumpkin. The blue is going to be our smaller pumpkin. These are not all the pumpkins that I'm going to paint. I just kind of wanted to give y'all an idea of what you can do. I have several pumpkins that are more foamy, that are a creamy white, and I love those, and I don't want to paint those. But these just look kind of, I use these outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these a good cleaning, and then we're going to paint together.
I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I've seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a
All right, guys, I have got those pumpkins finished and they are dried. And I want y'all to know that after you paint them, now when you're painting them, and you may have noticed it in the beginning, it did look a little lighter than I was expecting. But after they dried, let me show you. I did y'all a little mock-up of kind of what I'm thinking. So I have my little greenery that I showed y'all with the little pumpkin colored berries. I have my acorn. Look at that blue, guys. Oh, that's so pretty. And the green is absolutely gorgeous. It's very rich, and that's exactly the look that I was going for. I didn't have any of my cream pumpkins downstairs to show y'all, but this turned out pretty. All right, so you've got the blue one, you've got the green one. So let me show you what I'm thinking, okay? So you've got blue and green, cream, and you've got other mixtures of green, copper. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I have these copper salt and pepper shakers, and then I picked this up at TJ Maxx. So this was $20. It was on for a set of 3. And I'm gonna use those in my decor as well. So it kind of pulls on a little bit of an orange color. Y'all, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna add copper, green, blue, and cream. It is gonna be beautiful. So I kind of wanted y'all to see where I'm going with my gold accents. And I didn't have anything to paint the stem to my pumpkin yet, but that is going to be a copper color as well. So next video, we are going to paint some outdoor pumpkins. These are some pumpkins that I already had, so I thought I'd bring y'all along for that. I'm gonna do kind of the cream, the green, and the blue on those as well. So I enjoyed today. I hope y'all did. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, I would greatly appreciate it. I love sharing with y'all. Y'all have a great day.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.